Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. This video is not about any single meme coin. We are just going to cover four meme coin: Floki, Pepe, and Bonk, and one more coin which is recently I added into my watch list called Mo coin. Mo coin is also a very strong and bullish coin, and I think it has a very bright future. So we can also expect new ATH from the Mo coin also. So this video is going to be in detail and lengthy. Before starting, make sure subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. And do not forget to hit the like button. I'm just going to start with Floki. $668 million market cap and volume is still very low, like $62 million available to trade on all the major exchanges. This is something a Floki chart. Bigger picture, it is 1 week frame. Floki is showing a lot of lag on the chart. We just consolidated here from 11s to 30s region for almost, here you can see, 308 days, almost 1 year. Okay. And after that, we just lose this area of 11s and we dump down toward that region of 49 to 50s. And then in the month of May, when everything was pumping upside, we just pump and jump toward the 11s area, which was the gap needed to be filled. And we just pump almost 117%. And after that, since that time, we just got rejection and the coin is just dumping down and it is almost down 50% after hitting this important resistance level after getting the rejection from that level. Okay, and now we are still here and this is a first little green candle. Maybe it is a sign of a reversal or something, but this is not a proper reversal pattern. We need a consolidation for some days and a tweezer bottom like last time. This is something a bottom candle. I'm just going to zoom in this type of a candle we need here, and then we can just start pumping upside. Okay, so this way we can just again expect a little pump upside with the 78 and then wick downside toward this area of the 55 to something to make a double bottom around this area, and then we can just start moving upside toward the 10 something. Okay, what about the downside? This is a very, very important support level of 53 to 49. That is the reason we just exactly come from this area. I'm not expecting anything downside because it's been already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. The coin was dumping down crazily, and now this is the first sign. But I think we need to wait. Where we can just buy this coin, the best buying zone is around the 55 to 57 in this region. Whenever the price will go down, you can just buy this coin and wait for the upside move toward the 10 something, which is going to be 100%. Okay, so that was the Floki. Now we will go to the Pepe. Pepe is bigger than all these coin, like $4 billion market cap of this coin, and currently we are just bouncing from the very, very important support level of 853 after hitting this zone of the 1520 in a few recent videos. A few weeks back I gave you this target. We exactly got the rejection from this area of the 1530, which was a very important resistance level, and since that time, you can see we are just dumping down here and almost 46% down on a Pepe coin. So what is the low we can expect? I'm just going to show you something. Then look at this. Last time when we hit a 1667 or something, we just dumped down from this level to this level slowly, gradually toward the 584 something. Okay. And we just got a buyback from this area. As you can see, we are just bouncing here and one bounce very decent from this level to this level, like 20%. Okay, so this is the gap from 871s to 1064. We can again expect a pump toward that area. Okay, but overall I'm just going to show you something that this is the level. The first level is 854, 863, and the next zone is 613, and we are not going below this area. Okay, what we need to do simply, you can just buy some here because after 6 weeks you can see this is a first green candle, And otherwise, if you are just still looking for much safer entry, you can just wait for the downside below like 766 or something. This is a weekly frame, a bigger picture it is, okay? But overall, the final bottom is 600 for Pepe coin, and after hitting this area, we can just start moving upside toward this area. We can also move from this zone where we are standing, but we need to wait and watch for the reversal pattern to form. Then we can say anything, okay? So Pepe is also good. And downside, what is the downside? Downside is like 20%. And what is the upside? Upside is 200%. So risk to reward ratio is still decent on Pepe coin. What about the Bonk coin? Here, Bonk currently, you can see Bonk is also doing same. Bonk is much clearer than Floki and Pepe. Okay, because this is the final bottom for this coin. We are just making lower high, and toward the, we just retested. We need a closing above the 1577 on a Bonk coin, and then we can expect something good. But overall, the coin is still dumping down, falling down, making lower highs. This way, we can just start getting downside toward 986 or something. This is a very important support level, time tested, proven bottom. Every time we hit this area, we pump so hard toward that region of the like big pump on a bone coin. From here to here, 400%. And this time we also pump like 170%. So I think this is going to be the last area. Losing this area will be very ugly for the bone coin, but I'm not expecting to lose because the gap is very big. If we lose this area, then forget about the bull run and all that stuff on anything. Like, okay, because the downside is after this here 484, which is a 50% down, and then 60, anything we can expect. We need to hold this area. So, very decent buying, very good opportunity to get enter if you get the chance to buy Pong coin at 945. Okay, what about Mo coin? Mog is also very decent coin with a very strong community and available to trade on most of the exchanges. I made a lot of videos about Mo coin. Here you can see the MOG is also hitting a very important support level of 65. There's another support here at 43 something. We can also expect that. Still, this coin is not showing a proper reversal, but overall it is just moving upside after doing something like this, a cup and handle pattern. This way we can just expect a move upside toward the 25873. Okay. This is also very low on MOG coin. What I'm watching here. Okay. So if someone want to buy back this coin, 75 or 61, these are the very important region. And if you get lower than that, then it is going to be 58. So you can just place and plant your order around at that zone from 67 to 57. Okay. And overall, Mog is looking good to me. Mog and Bonk are very much clear. Bonk is best, like very clean chart, standing at the support level. Mog is just trying to go upside. Mog is still looking bullish to me. Pepe is struggling right now, and Floki is looking very weak right now. Overall, what I'm watching here. Okay, so here was my thought and analysis about the four meme coins like Floki, Bonk, and Mog and Pepe. So always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.